Hale hothe ungikorwo riri ni ikereka ria keri niguo thie na mbere na gukumenyithia mohoro maria tukuhaririirie. Tugithie na mbere ati thirikari ni uritio itigire ati ni agacirithia thukuru cia muingi niguo gutigirira ati ciana iria irathomera thukuru-ini icio ni ciahota gwika wega iganiro ciahota aruna ao aria mari thiini wa thukuru cia andu kiumbe. Letana rikitio ni mwarimu munene wa thukuru wa Mwiki Goodhope niwe Dominic Mwendwa hindi ya ukungwiri wa moimirira mega kuri arutwo 40 megwatira max 400 guthie na iguru. Wa mbere akigwatira max 430 tole mwariki witu wa mohoro aratumenyithia. Letana riri rikitio ni aciari na arimu a thukuru wa Mwiki Goodhope Academy uria uri mwena wa Mwiki guku mucii munene wa Nairobi makiuga mutaratara murumu ni wagire kugathikwo ni thirikari gutigirira arutwo ni meka wega igeranio-ini ciao.
Wambere ningira thirikari ikire plani njega mibango mega iria ikurumirirwo na irehe matokeo mega na mahote guthomithia arutani na nigetha mahote kumenya uria makuhota guthomithia ciana icio wega nigetha ihote kunyita kiria marathomithio na ciana ciimenye tondu ona mwana angithomithio na ndemenyete we thiini wake ndangigia marks iria ciagiriire.
Thukuru uyu ni umwe wa mathukuru guku bururi-ini maria maratongoretie na njira ya gwika wega na kwigwatira main score ya 396. Murutwo wa mbere arira max 430 nake wa keri mari eri na max 429.
Feel like we have achieved our target this year. We set a target of 390 for as our mean score, and we've been able to hit and surpass it by scoring a mean of 396 points out of the possible 500 marks.
Aria maraikarire kigeranio giki marari arutwo 73 othe makigia kamwe kega guthie national schools kuria amwe a arutwo thukuru-ini uyu monanitie gikeno ni undu wa moimirira macio mega magicokeria arimu na aciari ao ni undu wa kumahotithia gwika wega.
My name is Nderi Maswangari from Mwiki Goodhope Academy. I got 424 marks in Kcpe. I'm so grateful to God, my family, together with my teachers. They have really supported me through this journey, and I thank God for them. I would like to become a neurosurgeon and help people, and my dream high school is Kenya High.
I'm Guru Margaret Wangare, a student in Mwiki Goodhope Academy. I attained 417 marks, and it was possible through the support from my teachers, my parents, and prayers from God, and even working hard.
My name is Ndongo Prince Gaduku. I was able to attain 424 marks, and I really thank God for making me achieve these marks. And I also want to thank my teachers because of everything that they have taught us, even my classmates, because most of the times we do group work with them.
Nitukenete muno na tugacokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa cukuru ino itu Mwiki Goodhope ni ikite wega na tukauga mwathani aroneneha. Ni ndi muciari ndirani na mwana guku cukuru ino na ni arekire wega muno na muno ni kumumiriria na arutani makaruta wira mwega makamahe githomo kiria kiagiriire na thiini wao makamathomithia kinya uhoro wa gwitigira Ngai ni tondu ni tui ati Ngai niwe mahotithitie gwika uguo. Mwana ucio wakwa ni aranjiraga ni mararutaga wira muingi muno na niguo ramahotithirie gwika wega tondu aranjiraga marokiraga thaa 10 guthoma na tondu noguo magwithie na mbere na gukira mathie cukuru wa secondary ni ndiracokeria Ngai ngatho muno tondu mwana ucio wakwa ni arahitukire na ni aguthie national school.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa thukuru ucio no Dominic Mwendwa augite ni makenete muno kuona ni marekire uria mareregereire akiuga mwaka ukite mari na matanya manene ma gwika wega makiria.
There are several measures that we had put in place. Number one, we had our pupils, we trained them on how to plan their time properly. Then there was the aspect of hard working. These children were able to work hard day in, day out, in the day and even the night. They were also very, very consistent. We trained them on the aspect of our teamwork. And also each one of them was working against individual targets. There are those that we had given a target of very high marks. Others, the targets were at par with their ability, and we were encouraging them each and every day to work, not just to compete with anybody, but to compete with their very own targets, and that really worked for us.
Ndeto ya kumakania ni ati arutwo 40 nio marakinyitie marks 400 guthie na iguru. Ngiribotera Gikuyu TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muiruri John Mo.